In this video, let us see why do we need cloud. So to understand this, let us move a bit back. What happened without cloud? How companies work without cloud? So for that, let me say a new entrepreneur wants to create a company. So let's say his name is Sai. Now Sai wants to create now Sai wants now Sai has a business. Now Sai has a business. Now he wants to create a website. So he wants to create a server. That means website. We can say it as server, or you can say in system, or you can say server. He is creating his app to promote his business. He is creating an app application by using server. In online promotions, he would like to promote it. So now clients, whoever the clients are there, they are accessing this server. Whatever the server which was provided by Sai, that server was accessing by a client. A new client is came and then he is accessing whatever the server that was created by Sai. So let us analyze how he created this server. How he created this server. To create this server, what are the main things he require? He need a laptop. He need a laptop. He need a developer to build his application. He need a developer, and to maintain this laptop connectivity, he requires certain conditions, and he must require staff to maintain this server. Whenever the server goes off, the staff must need to watch the server and need to restart the server, or he need to modify that server so that it will be accessible to the client, right? So to make this app available to the client, so he need to take care of his laptop, or else you can say his system, and he need to maintain certain conditions for this system so that then only the system will be available, and he must need to maintain some staff there with the system so that he continuously monitors the system, and whenever it stops or whenever it was not working, then he must need to maintain it properly so that it will be available. And he also require a developer to develop this app. He requires developer. So now let's say Sai are getting many clients are getting accessing this site. So clients many clients liked the application, and many clients like to access the services provided by the Sai by using this app. Now let's say in previously Sai developed for how many users? Certain number of users Sai developed this application. But now what happened? Now many clients, other than past clients, many clients are accessing the same application. So many clients are accessing the same application. What does it leads to, sir? What does it leads to? Since many clients are accessing the same application, the application will become crashes. Application will gets to slow down because many users are accessing it, but its RAM and ROM and the system performance get reduced, right? the system performance gets reduced and it slowdowns, it crashes sometimes, it crashes, and it even hangs. So what does it result, sir? It results to bad customer experience. It results to bad customer experience. So whenever customer experiences these bad results, then what he think? Hey, what is this, yeah? What is this? Your website is not working properly. I don't like to use your website. I don't like to use your app. I'd like to go for another alternative app. So then he immediately asks the staff to buy another laptop, to buy another laptop and just try to maintain the same application in that another, just try to maintain the same application and provide the service. So now the staff bought another application and then staff is maintaining this application as well. Now the clients were happy. Now whenever there is a special days get, whenever there is a special days, then Sai is offering more discount on his services. Whenever Sai is offering more discount on his services, whenever there is a offer day, that means some special days are coming, right? Some festivals are coming. So in those days, Sai is offering a heavy discount of his services. So at that time, what happens? At that time, what happens? More number of clients gonna use his application. More number of clients gonna use his application. So at that time, do the previous servers sufficient for him to maintain this application? No, right? So he need to bought another server. He need to bought another server and host his application. To maintain this, he must need again another staff and certain conditions are needed. So in this way, he is maintaining his website and he is just improving his business. So now what happens? Suddenly an earthquake just got happened at that area. Let's say earthquake got happened where the servers were at that area, the earthquake came. Then what happens? Turmoil. All these servers got damaged. Now what happens? It leads to a big loss to Sai because his business, whole business got stopped due to his servers are not working right. So how clients can approach him, approach his application, and how do they use their services, Sai services, and how do Sai got money? Sai got loss. So to overcome this problem, Sai assumed to host his website, to host his website at different locations, different locations. Let's say this server is hosted at one location. This server is hosted at one location and another server, let's say another server. The second server, this is hosted second location. This is hosted second location. In similar way, third application server was hosted at third location. So in third location, he hosted his application. Now you can tell me whenever there is a cyclone or else whenever there is a bad thing happened at one location, does it reflects on other locations? No, right? So in this way, he avoid the damage of his servers. So he avoid a bit damage of his servers. So now what the thing he need to improve for do this? For doing this, what the thing he must need to improve? He must need to improve the staff. So for this, to do this, what he need to improve staff again. So it leads to charge him a lot because multiple locations whenever he is hosting, it leads to improve his staff, leads to spend more money for their staff and the maintenance of these servers. Now, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Whenever there is a festival happen, whenever this is a festival season, whenever this is a festival season. So during festivals, during festivals, Sai provides lot of offer, right? Lot of offer for his services, right? So Sai provided a lot of offer for their services. So now what happened? A lot of clients were trying to interact with this application in these festival days compared to other days. So at that time, at that festival moment, what he requires, sir? He require more number of servers. He require more servers. So he require more servers. For that, he must need to what he need to provide. To provide servers, nothing but he need to buy systems again. So he need to buy systems. For that, he need to put some capital. So he need to put some capital amount before. So he need to put some capital amount before, so that then only he can able to buy some systems. So whenever festival season came, he just bought some more new laptops. Whenever festival season gone finishes, then what happens? The servers again becomes empty and they are not using. So for this, after some time, it may also happen, right? After some time, the systems also crashes or else the system also damages. After certain duration, the system features may changes, a new version came, then he need to use that version, he must need to remove the old systems whatever he have. So at that case what happens? So he is capitally funding the whole servers, but he is not utilizing those servers properly. So it leads to what? It leads to a lot of waste of money for improved staff, for more servers. He is spending too much for the infrastructure, not for the application. He is spending a lot for infrastructure. So it leads to lot of loss for him. Even it is not easy. Even it is not easy to provide servers immediately. So it even provides some downtime to what clients. Does client support downtime? No, right? They simply 5 minutes downtime. I don't like to use this website. I want to go for another website. So in that way, the clients go for another website. It leads to even loss of his business. Here, these are the problems that he is facing. These are the problems that he is facing. What is the problem? Instead of developing his application or else improving his business, he is just focusing more on servers and their maintenance. So he totally becoming a loss during this moment of time. Whenever he buys a new systems, but they use only at festival moment. Whenever festival goes, then the systems again becoming free and he is not using them. After some duration, again the systems got damaged. Then he again need to buy new, and for maintaining the current systems he need to have more staff, even which require a lot of cost of investment for him. Now Sai is worrying. Now Sai is worrying to maintain this whole infrastructure. So instead of his business, this becomes one of the headache to him. So now AWS comes into picture. Now cloud computing comes into picture and told Sai that, hey Sai, hey Sai, you don't need to worry about background infrastructure. I will take care of it. Cloud told him, I will take care of this whole background infrastructure. What does that cloud told him? So cloud told him, I will. I will manage your whole infrastructure. Your take care is just take care of your application and your business development. That means, what does the cloud take care of? It will take care of staff. It will take care of these laptops or systems, or whatever the certain conditions that he required to maintain, and whatever the providing availability of your systems. So if it provides you the availability, then performance and reducing and downtime, crashes, hangs, all are taken care by the cloud. Whoever the cloud provider is providing, he will take care of it. So Sai was very happy. Sai was very happy. Even they provide these all services for less cost compared to Sai maintenance, compared to the cost which was impacted on him whenever he is maintaining. Similar to Sai, most of the top companies are trying to remove their burden or maintenance towards the infrastructure cost, and they're utilizing the services which are provided under cloud, and they just concentrate on their business as well as their business development and clients support, which leads to the business development and companies capital improvement. Now here you can observe two new terms. Those are on-premises and cloud. Cloud is what? Cloud will take care of whatever the infrastructure that Sai need to provide for their clients. But the app and the development will be taken care by Sai. So he just take care of that. And what are the background performance and slowdown issues, or else the infrastructure scalability, availability will take care by the cloud. So as well as staff maintenance, these all things are taken care by the cloud. So whenever cloud is taking care of these all services, then we can say it is a cloud computing. Whenever all the things that is before cloud, Sai is maintaining in a single room, or else you can say a lot of rooms with these servers, right? Or else you can say these systems within multiple buildings, right? So that is called, we can say, on premises. On premises is nothing but a data center which is maintained by the company owner. That is the data center, on premises data center. Coming to cloud, a cloud service provider will maintain those data centers. The company owners who are using the cloud services are not responsible for staffing or else maintenance of those buildings, or else the servers which are present in those buildings. In this way, cloud will provide you a high secure, high available, and highly scalable, high performance with low downtime applications for companies. So now that's why we need to learn cloud to host any data or else any websites under cloud for companies. So that's why most of the companies are choosing cloud instead of maintaining their own data centers, or you can say on-premises data centers. I hope you understood why do we go for cloud instead of on-premises data centers. So I hope this video is understanding to you why do we go for cloud instead of on-premises data centers. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.